To create a biome, right-click on the Vista Manager in the hierarchy and select 3D object, Vista, Local Procedural Biome. Usually when you create a Vista Manager, it will also create a biome for you. Now let's make the biome to cover the whole scene. First, use the Transform tool to move it to the center of the scene. Then, in the inspector, click on Edit Anchors. Now you can change the position of each anchor point. Use the handle in the scene view to drag them to the location. Once done, click End Editing Anchors. There is another way to do this quickly. Click on the Snap to button, then select All Tiles. Next, set Fall Off Direction to Outer. This will make the texture fade away from the biome center. Now we will create a new terrain graph asset for the biome. Terrain graph asset is where we place nodes to define the biome rules. To do that, right-click on the project window and select Create Vista Terrain Graph. Select the biome, drag and drop your graph into the slot.